Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2016 Suzuki Boulevard C90T. This is 1500cc V-twin liquid-cooled fuel-injected shaft drive cruiser. Comes equipped with floorboards, a full touring windscreen, hard case leather covered saddlebags that are locking. This bike is normally $12,899 and we're selling it at a huge discount of $3,500, so only $93.99 plus fees. If this is the one you've been waiting for, it'll never be lower priced. Come by, take a look. We also can offer you 0% financing at that price for 36 months. Tremendous opportunity, one only at this price. 2016 Boulevard C90T, only $93.99 right here at Contra Costa Powersports. Thank you.